Hi, this is Shivering here. Today I'm going to talk about control of body temperature. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Hypothalamus in the brain is the central control of the body temperature, and it's the body's thermostat and continually monitor the temperature of the body flowing through it. And thermoregulation is the control of body temperature. So thermoregulation, you must remember that thermoregulation is the control of body temperature, and the hypothalamus receives the information about the temperature from other sources as well. So skin contains receptor that monitor changes in skin temperature, and skin receptors give an early warning about possible change in core temperature. So if the core temperature decreases, or if the temperature receptor in the skin detect a decrease in the temperature of the surroundings, the hypothalamus sends impulses that activate the following physiological responses. So number one, vasoconstriction. So vasoconstriction, that is the muscles in the walls of arteries that supply blood to capillaries near the skin surface contract, and these narrows the lumens of the arterioles and reduces the supply of blood to the capillaries so that less heat is lost from the blood. Alright. Number two, shivering. So what is shivering? What do you mean by that? Well, involuntary contraction of skeletal muscles and generates a heat which is absorbed by the blood and carried around the rest of the body. Alright, so it's go rest of the body. Number three, raising body hair. So that is the raising body hair muscles at the bone of hairs in the skin contract to increase the depth of fur, so trapping air close to skin. And number four, decreasing the production of sweat. So whenever this reduces the loss of heat by evaporates from the skin surface, that is whenever you sweat, so it evaporates. So that times is skin surface, so this reduces the loss of heat. Number five, increasing the secretion of adrenaline. So this is a hormone. This hormone from the adrenal glands increases the rate of heat production in the liver. So when environmental temperature is increasing, so skin receptor or the central thermoreceptors, the hypothalamus increases the loss of heat from the body. So it's all over the body is increasing. So number one, vasodilation. So vasodilation, that is the muscles in the arterioles in the skin relax and allowing more blood to flow through the capillaries so that heat is lost to the surroundings. All right. And number two, lowering body hairs. Lowering body hairs, that is the muscles attached to the hair relax so they lie flat and reducing the depth of fur and the layer of insulation. All right. And number three, increasing sweat production. So that is the sweat glands increase the production of sweat which evaporates on the surface of the skin, so removing body. So guys, I hope that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friend. If you need more class, leave a comments in my description box. You can leave a comments. I love to hear from you, and feel free to email me. In my description box you can find all of my social media and website. So guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.